Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is the finches of Galapagos Island provides evidence in favor of A. Evolution due to mutation, B. Evolution due to biogeography, C. Retrogressive evolution, and D. Special creation. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is modern biological science suggests that dash are the ancestor of all life forms. A. Protists, B. Prokaryotes, C. Protozoans, and D. Parazoans. So the correct option is B. Prokaryotes. Dash provides a visual record in a complex series showing the evolution of an organism. A. Comparative anatomy, B. Comparative embryology, C. Fossil records, and D. Electron microscopy. So the correct option is C. Fossils record. The next MCQ is the presence of gill slit and the embryos of all vertebrates supports the theory of A. Metamorphosis, B. Recapitulation, C. Organic evolution, and D. Biogenesis. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which is not a character of fossils. A. Actual remain of ancient organism. B. Living. C. Traces of ancient organisms. And D. May be embedded in sand, resin, or ice. So the correct option is B. Living. The next MCQ is functionally different but structurally alike organs are A. Analogous. B. Homologous. C. Anomalous, and D. Cosmopolitan. So the correct option is B. Homologous. The next MCQ is analogous organ help organism to live in a same habitats. B. Different biomes. C. Different habitats, and D. Environments. So the correct option is A. Same habitat. The next MCQ is which one of the following statement could not be used to describe a species? A. A group with similar autosomes. B. A group with analogous structure. C. A group capable of producing variable offspring. And D. A group sharing same niche. So the correct option is B. A group with analogous structure. The next MCQ is when two species of different genealogy come to resemble each other as a result of adaptation. The phenomena is termed A microevolution, B convergent evolution, C co-evolution, and D divergent evolution. So the correct option is B convergent evolution. The next MCQ is the actual remains of traces of organisms that live in ancient geological times. A. Vestigial remains. B. Fuel. C. Fossils, and D. Analogous organs. So the correct option is C. Fossils. The next MCQ is in human gill pouches have modified into A. Nose, B. Eustachian tubes, C. Ears, and D. External ears. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is vestiges of vestigial organ are those organs which have ceased to be of any use and their possessors, but they are persist to reduce from generation after generation, and main they are vermiform vermiform appendix, B. Coccus, C. Negating, and D. Air muscle, and D. All of these. So the correct option is E. All of these. The next MCQ is the organ which are similar in function but different in structure are called A. Analogous organ, B. Convergent evolution, C. Homologous organs, and D. Divergent evolution. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is four limbs of men, horses, and whales shows A. Analogous organ, B. Divergent evolution, C. Chemical evolution, and D. Convergent evolution. So the correct option is B. Divergent evolution. The next MCQs is evolution is a remodeling process. This is supported by A. Biogeography, C. Comparative physiology, C. Comparative anatomy, and D. Molecular biology. So the correct option is C. Comparative anatomy. The next MCQs is the comparative embryology of all vertebrates shows presence of A. Hairs, B. Gill pouches, C. Scales, and D. Fins. So the correct option is B. Gill pouches. The next MCQs is fossils are most likely to be present in A. Sedimentary rocks, B. Metamorphic rocks, C. Igneous rocks, and D. Shower settle. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.